Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to make Dominos Zingy Parcel. Let's get started. First I am going to prepare the filling for the Zingy Parcel. Ingredients and the quantities for the filling are mentioned on top of the video. You can change the quantities based on the taste you like. I prepared a medium spicy filling. The greetings in today's recipe to Gayan Malshani and also Fathima Rafa from Sri Lanka. Thank you for always seeing and enjoy my recipes. At this moment I would like to know from which country you are joining with us to send you a special greetings in the next recipe. Tell if this is the first time you see my recipe. If so, don't forget to follow me on Facebook or YouTube. Let's prepare the dough. First I am going to activate the yeast. I am using 1½ teaspoon of yeast, then added 1 tablespoon of sugar and 135 milliliters of warm milk. Mix them well and keep it close for 10 to 15 minutes to activate the yeast. Next I am taking 300 grams of flour and added salt as per the taste. Then I am adding egg white of 1 medium egg. Then mix them little bit and then add the activated yeast and mix them well. Now it's time for the kneading. First I am adding 40 grams of butter. Then knead the mixture for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you knead them well continuously until dough becomes smoother. Then add some oil to the pan and keep it closed until dough size become double. Approximately you have to keep it closed for 1 hour. Now it's time for the final preparation. I am adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup to the filling mixture and mix them. Now I will take half of the dough and flatter it by using a roller. Then I will divide it to 4 pieces. First I am adding layer of mozzarella cheese and then add the chicken curry and again 1 more layer of mozzarella cheese. I use some water at the edges to seal the wrap. Then I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk to the egg yolk and mix them well. Apply this mixture on top of the Zingy parcel to get nice brown color. Preheat your oven for 5 minutes in 180 Celsius, then you can transfer them to oven. Bake the Zingy parcel for 20 to 25 minutes in 180 Celsius. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. I hope you like the recipe. Thank you.